Yo, yeah, how we doing, fam? Oh, baby, how we doing? Happy Thursday. It is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Thursday. How we doing, man? Rednecks in the building. Good morning. What up? G-Man, what up? Market Maker Mario, Mr. Triple M's, what up? What up, Sam? How you doing, bro? How you doing? Oh man, chat. My eyes are still on fire, bro. I don't know if it's like there's like ragweed in the air or pollen or what, dude. But I'm telling you, like every morning, my eyes are just like on fire. I don't know what it is, dude. I don't know what it is, but it's driving me absolutely insane. It's driving me crazy. Also, chat. Sorry, I'm a little bit late. I know I'm late to stream, but we here. Secondly, we did take a trade while I was setting up stream. While I was setting up stream, we did take a trade. I ended up taking a short here. Rode this thing straight through VWAP here. We're up 300 on the day so far. Up 300 on the day so far, chat. Holy. Probably could have held on to it, but I was like, I'm just going to take my profits and be cool with it. To be honest, I really want to see this thing sink into poverty. I really do. I want to see this thing just absolutely just freaking get sunk into the ground. I would love that. Absolutely love it. So probably could have held on to this, but we're just happy to take some profit. We went short at 76, pretty aggressive entry. But given the nature of pre-market and just how we were selling off and finding a good level to get short at here, I let it play out a little bit just to get a little bit more confirmation. But seeing the weakness coming through, it made sense to take a short with a stop at the highs here. Took a short at 676, wrote it down to about 649 where I took up my last contract. I took some off at 43, and then just went into the rest off at 49. So basically 76 to 43. So about a 33-point trade on 5 micros total. But this thing is absolutely just getting sunk into the ground right now, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I want to see this. I want to see the whole day flip red, to be honest, chat. I really do. I want to see the whole day flip red. But yeah, this thing is absolutely just sinking right now. Sinking. Damn near could have had a 100-point trade had I held on to some of my contracts. That's okay. That's all right. We're going to let price kind of play out right now. Do its thing. Took our early trade. We're up on the day. Can be a little picky the rest of the day. Be a little picky. We do have. Oh wait, this is a September contract. Holy, why am I selling a September contract? Let's see. NQ. There we go. We have room down to 587. See what happens if 587s get tagged up. How we doing, chat? What's the vibes? How's the week been? Did y'all survive FOMC? How'd it go? Did everybody survive it? Also, if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button. We need to get the likes up on the stream. Hit that like button as you're coming in. Get the likes up. Get the likes out of the way, You know. Great 2 days. Love that. Didn't trade it overnight. That worked well. Let's go. I'm always scared to trade overnight. I don't like the movement overnights. It just, I don't know. Asia market makes me nervous. I get more nervous on the Asia market than I do New York Open. So I just stay out of it. Couldn't tell you why, but I do. But I do. Chat, also, we have Edgeful coming on this afternoon. Make sure you tune in. Nice little buy up here at BWAP. Big old buy up. Holy moly. Chat, what are we doing? What are we doing? Holy. We buying right back up. So much for this thing going into the ground. Jesus. So much for this thing going into the ground. NQ is just ripping. $5.99 to $6.92, almost 100-pointer just right here. NQ is smoking higher. Sheesh. Sheesh. $1K buy. Caught the bottom on YM. Let's go, GG's. You love to see it. Absolutely love to see it. Full orb long. Holy. Holy. Might need to grab some longs. Need to find an entry. We might need to find an entry. Chat, I need an entry. Somebody give me one. Somebody give me an entry. Andrew. What up, bro? How you doing? Nice, Mario. G freaking G's. I need an entry. I want to be part of this. I want to be part of this. We have a 115-point range so far. Let's see, do we have? I haven't even looked for news. Do we have news at 9? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Had a little bit of a pullback there. That's probably the entry to get long on. Need definitely need to get long off a pullback here. The issue is he is not playing along. All right, coming down the VWAP here. Oof. 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 She's sinking. Get a little bounce off VWAP. This little VWAP bounce. See if it holds. We'll see if she holds. So far, negative. Hmm. Keeps sinking lower here. Kind of just barely edging itself lower. I will get a push lower, then it'll kind of buy up a little bit, and then push lower and buy up a little bit. It's not really getting much volume in the downside. I'll take the long here, chat. We're only in three micros. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Well then. Is this gonna hold? That was a big buy. Come on, hold. Hold. Hold it. Okay, we'll take it there. That was a nice little 100 point or $100 trade off of 3 micros. I mean, that was from 56 to 72. So about a what was that? 16-point trade. So 16 pointer, we'll take it all day. We'll take it all day. We're up about 388. That was only on 3 micros too, chat. So 3 micros, nice little pop, just a little snack. You know what I mean? Just a little snack in the market. A little snacky snack. This thing could continue to rally, but I don't know. After seeing that pop, I'm just gonna be grateful for taking, you know, 16 points. That's cool by me. All right. Can you tell me why you took that long? Yeah. Just overall trend. It's a momentum play, right? Momentum play. Look for pullback to get long off of. If you're, I don't claim to be an ICT trader, but there's concepts that I use on imbalances, and so since there's a big imbalance here, us pulling back in this imbalance and then holding price and not really seeing much volume following through. Like we're wicking out a lot down here, and so that's an indication that there's not a whole lot of volume pushing us lower. So wow, look at this pump. Definitely exiting too early. Um, this tells there wasn't a lot of volume to the downside after getting to this imbalance, and so that's why I took it. Also, it's going with the new trend here. Oh wow. Maybe I shouldn't have exited. Holy. I mean, I was happy with 16 points, chat. I mean, who isn't happy with 16 points on the NAS? But holy, look at this. Look at this. Yeah, Sam, it would be. Stop me now because that's 3 for 3. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Wow. Chat, I guess maybe I shouldn't have exited. I thought my little 16 points was going to be just fine. Look at this. Look at this. Jesus. Holy. $2,730. I miss these days. That was a personal. Holy, you love to see it. He has a grin ear to ear right now. Holy. Market maker Mario just absolutely ripping the market right now, shredding the market in half. Do it to him, Mario. Do it to him. Let him know. Man, market is just we're just grinding here. Grinding. This month had 3 red days, but my greens have been really good. Very nice Christmas. Hell yeah. You love to see it. You absolutely love to see it. This month hasn't been too bad for me either. I mean, it's been kind of a slow one, to be honest. Um, it's been a slow one. I will say that. We here, let me resync this. So I mean, not been too bad. It's been a slow, kind of a slow month in the personal account. The first week in my personal, we made 2.2. Second week, only 497. Right now, we're at 500 this week. I mean, you can just see like my green days. I also haven't took very many trades in this account each day just because the price action has been so like it's been so just bad. You know what I mean? Price actions have been so bad. And so I've been playing defense a lot. Um, and that's showing in the P&L too, just being extra conservative. But last week, like one trade, four trades. I mean, you can see my red days where I traded the most, which is even more reason. 10 trades here when I was red. Even more reason why I'm taking less trades is because I got to play defense. Um, but one trade, two trades, one trade. Like it's just a straight up defensive month for me right now. Um, so we're just trying to put green on the board and just really just stack slowly here. But overall, can't complain about the month. The red days have been very small, right? Very small. Green days been a lot more. So we're doing it. We're doing good. Doing good. We're up. Let's see, about 3.1 on the month on the personal. So not crazy, but definitely happy with the amount of green that we've made in a month that we've had. This week, volume continues. Oh yeah, I know what you meant. I have 100K on my personal, so I have some room. There you go. Love that. Every payout you had this year, you dumped it all in the personal. That's the way to go, bro. Like, take payouts from prop firms and put it in a personal account. Like, Jesus, dude, people don't understand, Mario. People don't understand, dude. Like, the moment they get a taste of trading their own personal account, it's gonna change the way they think about trading. Because I mean, I wish I wish I had started a personal account a lot sooner. Like, I've traded personal accounts before, but I've not like really um like I'd like take the money and close them out, right? I'd make money and then just close them out. Like I never really had like spent time just longevity in a personal account. And now that I am doing that, bro, it is a game changer, like an absolute game changer. Once you trade a personal account, bro, there ain't no going back. Ain't no going back. Look at this massive fucking run right now, dude. What are we talking about right now? What are we doing? What is this run? I think is if you really need money, you can pull it. Exactly. Like people think like, I actually struggle with that. I was like, man, I'm putting this like 25K of my own money in an account. It's like, I mean, obviously, like, I mean, I can afford to lose 25K, but like taking it out of the bank account was like kind of weird. It's kind of weird for me. But it's also too, it's like I know I have it and I can pull it anytime I need to. That's the thing too, Chad, is if you do start a personal account, don't deposit more than you can afford to lose. Built an emergency fund first, which took me 3 years. That was rough. That's smart. I mean, yeah, build the fund up as much as you can. Build that bank account. That way you have something to fall back on. Man, we are absolutely just shredding higher right now. Shredding higher. Man, we had a hell of an entry on this long. We should have. I guess I did kill it way too early. I don't know. I felt like the need to lock in profits, but really wish I didn't because I'd be just trailing this. Maybe I need to do that from now on. I need to trail more. I mean, we got long literally at the bottom of this. Was hard to make the switch to personal account, hard to hit the button, start really small positions and start slow signs. Yeah, 100%. I hear you. I hear you. Like, I mean, jumping into my personal account, like I would say like it was more so like the first week that I was like, man, like this feels weird. And I don't know how I feel about trading my own personal money. But then like after that, I don't know. It just kind of became normal. Like now it just feels normal. I don't really get too caught up in it. Eventually you just kind of get used to it and you're just like, it's just another day, another trading day. You're just trading. As long as you follow just risk management and you're very good at, keeping yourself in tune and in check, it's just another day trading money, trading numbers, just numbers on screen. I'm about 5 years deep in futures now. So it was time to go to a personal account, anyways. I mean, 5 years deep in futures, it was time to go to a personal account. I can just really focus on it. I mean, I still trade prop. Obviously, I'm partnered with Tradefy. Like I have Tradefy accounts that I trade. Wait, where's my? I just noticed my banner's not even on there. What the heck, bro? Hold on, chat. Wait a minute. What happened to my? There we go. Didn't realize my banner wasn't on there. Holy moly! I have a picture of my girls on my desk that keeps me grounded since this is why I do this. Hell yeah. Love that. Love that. Also, too, like, thinking about trading, like day trading itself, like just being a day trader is never really the end game. Like, I mean, unless you want it to be, right? Unless that's like just what you want to do the rest of your life. For me, it's a segue into something bigger, right? Something a lot different. Granted, I'm always going to be a day trader, right? I'm always going to be a trader. I'm always going to trade. But for me, it's like I want to start something bigger with trading. Like I want to do something big, right? And so learning the skill set first, having the skill set, building a track record in trading allows you to take the step into other things. And so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Not gonna say what that is yet, chat, but here in about let's see, I'm going on. So well, about 6 months. 6 months, I'm gonna be probably having the ball rolling on something. So and I'll announce it here too, because I'm sure I have some people in my community that would be interested in it. FF, what up? What up? What up? What up? Another income stream? Yes, but this is gonna be pretty much a mega business. Like it's not just some small thing. Like I don't even really I mean, yes, it's gonna be an income stream, but it's gonna be a long game type of deal, right? So um I don't know. I'll announce it in like 6 months, chat. But it's gonna be a big business, not just some small thing. Still trading related? Yes, it is trading related. Yeah, it very much is. 6 month tease is diabolical. Yeah. Yeah. I know. I know. Just can't say anything yet, chat. I really can't. Like I really I want to. I really want to tell you, but I just can't say it. FF, it's gonna be at 1:30 Central Time. The JM prop firm? No. I won't start a prop firm at all. Negative. Actually, with what I'm gonna be doing, I can't. Anyway, that's enough about that. I don't want to get into y'all gonna make me get into details, and I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Just know something's coming next year. It's currently in the works, chat, right now. So just y'all just hang out. Y'all just hang out, and enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride, baby. Holy. Man, what a rip higher, chat. Jesus Christ. What is this? But we got a 168 point range. My goodness. What an absolute mover. Man, initial balance isn't even set yet, bro. It's got like 10 minutes. I feel like the morning is going by so slow. So slow, chat. Holy. My wife's supposed to be bringing me a Celsius. I don't know where she is, bro. She found a man with hair at the store, Jay. Holy. Well, guess I'm single then. And we are still grinding higher, chat. I mean, this is just a train just moving north, baby. Holy. All-time highs, just not stopping. It is not stopping, chat. Jesus. Somebody make it stop. Chat, who's been shorting? Who's picking tops right now? I know somebody is. I know somebody's picking tops, chat. Who's doing it? You're a spectator? Not a bad idea. Stream froze on you? Am I still frozen? Hello? Hello? Am I still here? Time to buy a new PC, holy. And get the new PC. Think it was you? It's not me, it's you. Holy. Chat, this thing is just straight up moving and grooving. There's nothing to do here. I really don't really want to do anything on this right now. I can see maybe a pullback down into, I don't know, maybe the 30s. This is a decent size IB. Yes, it is. Let's see. What is it? 182 points. 182 point IB so far. Unless we just start ripping higher again before the next 5 minutes. Yeah, this IB is pretty big. I was not expecting this massive buyout. Jesus Christ. I mean, we saw some nice selling, and all of a sudden, this train just straight up reversed. It said, hell no, we going all-time highs. My goodness. My goodness. Just go ahead. Go ahead, Nasdaq. Keep on going, baby. Keep on going. Fuck it. Take us to 24,800. I dare you. You won't do it. You won't do it. $24,800. Dare you. Be funny if they dump in the open, then scare them out and then run. Yep, 100%. That's exactly what happened. Sold it off at the open, ripped it straight up to all-time highs. It's crazy. Crazy, bro. Oh, we just keep pushing. Keeps on pushing, making you really happy to see this moves. Yeah, same. I mean, I wish it was to the downside, but I'm happy to see that there's some movement in the market and it's alive. Got some blood flow, you know. Ciao, be right back. We got about a minute and a half, chat. Minute and a half till IB is set. Thanks. Chat, check it out. Oh, baby. Celsius has arrived. Yeah. That's good. 1 minute till IB is set. And we just keep shredding higher. Keep on shredding higher. Your favorite's the watermelon one? Yep. This is the watermelon lemonade. There's like a watermelon and then a watermelon lemonade. All right, IB is about to be set, chat. IB is set. There it is. IB is set, and we are pushing above it. Pushing above. Oh, there's 800s. 800 on the Nasdaq. Chat, I downloaded a software called Black Hole on my Mac, and it allows me to record desktop audio. I wonder if there's a way to use it to loop in a Streamlabs or not Streamlabs, but StreamYard. I wonder if there's a way to do it. Let's see. Hold on. That way I could play like music and shit. Hold on. Can you use Black Hole to record audio in StreamYard? It looks like I can, bro. Hold on. Chat, looks like I can do it with Black Hole. Hold on. I might be able to do some audio stuff here with it. Hang on. Okay, chat, hold on. I'm gonna try something real quick. I'm gonna try to get like audio routed into StreamYard. That way I can do. I'm afraid I'm gonna mess up audio though, and it's gonna be sound all weird. Like it's gonna sound all weird if I do it, chat. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm scared to mess something up here. I'll do it off stream. Forget it. I'll do it off stream. I'll figure out a way to get desktop audio routed into StreamYard here. I feel like there's a way to do it, but it's kind of difficult. use a fixed volume profile for 1800 to 930, there's a better chance of getting a good setup. Not much of a, I mean, I use volume profile. Right now, I look at, since we're about an hour in a market open, I'm looking at the initial balance here. I don't know, price is kind of, well, I guess it's still moving a little bit. I have a feeling volume's gonna start slowing down here soon, though. Maybe we find a good setup here. Chat, while we wait on a setup, I do want to say this. We have started a new YouTube channel and we're starting a new one today. So we're gonna have two new YouTube channels. Um, one started today. I have content scheduled out, going out on it today. But two, we have a recap channel, like a trade recap channel that we're gonna post long form recap videos on for my trading, because I don't really want to do it on my main channel here because I want to save this channel for like live streams and prop firm videos. But then we have another YouTube channel that's going up today. It's going to be a recap channel, and then we have another channel right now that's currently active that has content scheduled and posting content right now, and it's a react channel, right, where we react to different trader videos. Um, Pretty cool. It's all short form content on that channel. We have channel content going out throughout the day with it. um, so I'll share the link for it pretty soon. Since we get more content on it, I'll share the link. You guys can go check it out, sub on it, and it's gonna be good, man. It's gonna be good. Gonna be real good. In fact, you know what? I'll go ahead and link it. If you guys want to sub to it, that's cool. I mean, there's not much content on it yet because I just started it today. Um, just started, like, content just started rolling out. Like the first one went out at 7 this morning. Um, but there will be 3 more pieces of content coming out on it today. But it's just a reaction channel. Let's see. If you guys want to go sub to it, that's the React channel. And then we have a recap channel coming out today, which I'll link in Discord for everybody. Get some sellers coming through here. Little bit of sellers. Still nothing I really want to take just yet, though. I don't know, chat. Are we gonna get an IB failure here, or are we gonna rip higher? What we gonna do? Appreciate it, redneck. Appreciate it. It'll take some time to build the channel, but we're gonna have some cool. There's gonna be some cool content on it for sure. Like some cool React videos. We'll be reacting to, like, viral trading content, so it'll be good, man. It'll be good. Some edutainment is what it is, chat. It'll be entertainment, but also educating. So I think it'll be good. But there's content coming out every day on it at 7 a.m., 12 p.m., 5 p.m., and midnight every day. So four short form pieces of content every single day, chat. Gonna be a lot. Chat, what do we think? Do we think we're gonna catch the buy up again and but go back above IB, or are we gonna sell down the view up? I don't know how I feel about a sell down a view up here. I really think I mean, just given the nature of this run, I feel like we buy right back up, chat. Wait for a little confirmation though. Nice little push here. I'll take 3 here, long. Stop right at this little low here. Not gonna look for a whole lot. Probably be the last trade of the morning. Of the morning session. See if buyers want to step up here. Ooh, a little bit of sellers coming through. Might get stopped out here on this one. That's okay. Yeah, we're still failing IB. All right, but we're gonna stop that on this one. That's okay. We'll just go ahead and take it off. That puts us up 300 on the day, chat. We're up 300 on the day. Gonna call it a day there. Gonna call it well, not call it a day, but call it a morning on that, chat. We're up 300. Not gonna give back anything else. I'm gonna make sure to keep the gains locked in and call it good. So this week's turning into a decent week. Hopefully, tomorrow we can have a good day as well. But definitely gonna call it a morning. I'm happy with today's profits. I mean, we took some good trades. Nothing much to really do up here for me right now. We are failing IB high so far. Maybe we come back down, but overall, I'm pretty happy with the profits. So I'm gonna call it a morning chat. I know it's early, but we have a guest coming this afternoon on stream. So make sure you're tuned in, guys. 1:30 Central Time. We have edgeful coming on. You do not want to miss it. Chat, trust me, they have some cool shit. You do not want to miss it. 1:30 Central Time. Be sure to tune in and come through. So we're gonna call it early morning and gear up for this afternoon. Cheers, Bird fam. Hope you guys have a good one. Cheers.